Hey guys, my name is Srivacha and I'm a data analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation, and today I've been given the task of doing the exploratory data analysis of the dataset Global Terrorism, and this is the raw data file which I've been provided with. As we can see, it consists of 1,81,000 rows, and the task is to get meaningful insights out of this data, and for that purpose I have used Tableau. So let's quickly switch on to Tableau.
So yeah, I've used Tableau for the visualization, and Tableau helps us to convert the data in Excel sheets to bar charts, graphs, and maps, which helps us to easily understand and interpret the data to fetch out meaningful insights. So yeah, this is the dashboard consisting of bar charts of number of attacks as well as the number of successful attacks region wise and country wise. So from this visualization we can say that the number of attacks are the highest in the Middle East and North Africa region, the successful attacks being 27,000. The next worst hit region being South Asia with 21,000 attacks and 18,000 successful attacks. And country wise we can see that the most attacked country is Iraq with 18,000 attacks as well as 16,000 successful attacks. The next worst being Pakistan, being hit with 7,600 attacks as well as 6,484 successful attacks. The next worst Afghanistan, and followed by India. India is the fourth most attacked country. Okay, so that was the first visualization from which we can make out that Iraq is the most affected country and India stands at number 4. Pakistan stands at number 2. Let's go to the next dashboard. So this is a visualization of the same data on the map, which indicates the number of attacks versus the successful attacks. So yeah, I've just changed the filter to show more number of countries. So we can see that when we hover over India, it shows how many attacks have been in India, and on Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iraq, and as well as all other countries. I'll quickly change the filter in order to be able to show the number of attacks on each and every country. So now we can check the number of attacks and successful attacks on each and every country using this map visualization. So yeah, that's the map visualization. The next visualization shows it shows the number of people wounded and the number of people killed region wise as well as country wise. We can see that in the Middle East and Africa region, the Middle East and Africa region has the highest number of wounded people as well as the killed people, with wounded people being 1,87,000 and killed being 81,000 people. And South Asia is the second most affected region with 97,000 wounded and killed being 41,000. Country wise we can see that Iraq has the most number of wounded people from terrorism, and killed 53,000 people were killed in Iraq. And the next worst being Pakistan with 12,000 people killed. Actually no, it is Afghanistan with 16,000 people killed and 26,000 wounded. The next most hit being Pakistan with 33,000 wounded and 12,000 killed. And next comes India with 5,000 killed and 20,000 wounded. And also this figure involves the people in army. It's not just the civilian. It includes both army people and civilians. So yeah, Pakistan, Iraq being the number one, Afghanistan second, Pakistan third, and India being the fourth, while Syria is the fifth. I mean, this was before the ISIS. So yeah, this data was before the ISIS happened. So yeah, Syria is at number five. So yeah, this was the number of people wounded and killed. The next dashboard is it shows the type of attack, uh, whether it's bombing, assassination, or armed assault. Armed assault meaning using firearm like gun or something like that. So yeah, bombing, and here we have the ranking as well. You can see that we can see over here when I increase the filter to show more number of nations, we can see here that where's Iraq. Yeah, I'll have to filter it more so that it shows me only the highest number of bombings that has taken place in that given spot. So yeah, you can see that Iraq it has the biggest bar graph showing that it has the highest number of bombings, and the next highest being Pakistan with 6,000 bombings, and Afghanistan has 5,600 bombings. India has 3,697 successful bombings. These were the top four, with Iraq being the highest hit, and Pakistan being the second highest hit, and Afghanistan being the third, India being the fourth. We can increase this filter width, and we'll get how many explosions happened throughout the entire world. We can see that China had 141 bombings, Kazakhstan had 7, Russia had 904. Similarly, we can check how many bombings happened throughout the world just by hovering over it. Next, we can also check the number of assassinations that happened. So yeah, this is the visualization of number of assaults that have happened. So it shows that the assassinations. We can see that India has had 1,001 successful assassinations. So yeah, that's about that. And now let's look at the individual sheets which I've used for this visualization. Yeah, so these are few dashboards, and now let's look at the individual sheets that are used for these dashboards. If we have to do deeper analysis on one of the particular sectors, then we can go sheet wise and analyze. As we can see here, we can see region wise analysis with more countries here, more regions, and on sheet 2 we can see the number of countries which have had most number of attacks. Yeah, so the sheets helps us to do deeper analysis, as we can see. Also, the number of people killed and wounded can be visualized. So yeah.
So
So
that's
that's
the
the
end
end
of
of
the
the
visualization,
visualization,
and
and
I'll
I'll
be
be
posting
posting
this
this
video
video
along
along
with
with
the
the
Tableau public
public
link
link
to
to
these
these
visualizations
visualizations
so
so
that
that
anyone
anyone
can
can
access
access
the
the
visualization.
visualization.
And
And
thank you
thank you
for
for
watching
watching
this
this
video.
video.
Thanks
Thanks
to
to
Sparks
Sparks
Foundation
Foundation
for
for
allowing me
allowing me
to
to
do
do
this.
this.
Do
Do
check
check
out
out
the
the
visualization
visualization
using
using
the
the
link
link
in
in
the
the
description.
description.
Thank you.
Thank you.